Traditional web scraping relies on rigid, localized rules. Developers write scripts to target specific CSS selectors, parse the document object model, and pipe text into relational databases or spreadsheets. But the primary consumer of web data is no longer a relational database, it is a large language model. LLMs require semantic extraction rather than raw DOM parsing to comprehend context and intent. Feeding modern websites directly into an LLM creates an architectural bottleneck. A standard request to a dynamic single-page application often returns an empty shell. If the raw HTML payload does pass through, it arrives bloated with asynchronous JavaScript, tracking scripts, and cookie banners. When you pollute the input payload with this non-semantic structural noise, the LLM burns through its limited context window. It expends its processing power trying to parse navigation menus instead of reading the information. This misallocation of compute degrades response quality and directly induces hallucination. The traditional scraping paradigm is structurally insufficient to serve as the raw material pipeline for autonomous AI systems. The open-source repository Firecrawl was engineered to solve this exact pipeline deficiency. It takes the operational complexity of web data collection, managing proxy rotation, evading bot detection, and handling JavaScript rendering, and condenses it into unified APIs. To understand the mechanics of this platform, we have to examine its core architecture, tracking how it moves from optimizing single-page token payloads to maintaining persistent, stateful browser sessions for AI agents. Firecrawl bridges the gap between the hostile, asynchronous environment of the modern internet and the token-optimized input constraints of language models. The foundation of this extraction pipeline is the /scrape endpoint. A developer dispatches a single URL, and the system executes the navigation server-side. It waits for the network to reach an idle state so JavaScript can execute and bypasses standard domain blocking mechanisms. A critical part of this extraction is the only clean content parameter. When engaged, the API strips away persistent advertisements and navigation menus, ensuring only the core informational payload survives. Firecrawl's Markdown conversion reduces overall token consumption by approximately 67% compared to processing raw HTML. This reduction is the foundational requirement for building cost-effective, accurate downstream RAG pipelines. But the internet is not entirely HTML. Enterprise pipelines frequently stall on legacy document formats, specifically PDFs. Standard optical character recognition libraries are slow and reliably destroy the semantic structure of intricate documents. To bypass legacy OCR, Firecrawl engineered a custom parsing engine called FirePDF. Written in Rust, it deploys memory-safe, system-level performance directly into the pipeline. Instead of extracting text strings, FirePDF uses an advanced neural document layout model. It visually analyzes the page to classify structural elements, intelligently reconstructing data tables into formatted Markdown grids and converting complex mathematical formulas into LaTeX syntax. By utilizing this Rust-based architecture, the system achieves a sub-400 millisecond average processing time per page. This dedicated neural architecture ensures that highly technical and scientific documents remain mathematically coherent when ingested by a language model. Extracting a single document is a solved problem. Moving from single pages to massive domain traversal via the /crawl endpoint introduces a scaling challenge. You confront enterprise anti-bot heuristics, active browser fingerprinting, and capture walls at volume. This diagram illustrates our dual-tier deployment. The managed cloud uses the Fire engine to manipulate fingerprints, resolve CAPTCHAs, and rotate residential proxies. Conversely, the self-hosted Docker architecture isolates microservices for data sovereignty, transferring proxy and rate-limiting burdens to your DevOps team. These architectural decisions require balancing frictionless horizontal scaling against stringent internal data governance policies. Standard RESTful scraping APIs are stateless. A request is dispatched, a browser loads the page, the data returns, and the connection is terminated. This stateless design fails when an agent needs to navigate complex interfaces that require sequential actions, such as multi-step login portals or nested dynamic content. The /interact endpoint introduces persistent sandboxed browser sessions. An agent initiates a post request, and the system keeps the session alive, attaching it to a script ID. Agents then inject natural language or playwright commands directly into the active DOM, terminating only upon a delete request. This persistent state allows AI models to independently execute complex, multi-step navigational commands directly within the live browser environment. We can benchmark Firecrawl against two dominant alternatives: local-first libraries and multi-agent browser frameworks. Local-first Python libraries like Crawl for AI offer zero external dependencies and sophisticated features like BM25 semantic filtering. However, their success rates drop when confronting enterprise anti-bot protections compared to managed services. On the other side of the spectrum are frameworks like BrowserUse, which deploy an LLM to visually interpret the DOM and orchestrate physical, human-like clicks. While flexible, orchestrating physical UI actions via LLM incurs exorbitant per-step token costs and unpredictable system latency when applied at a commercial scale. Firecrawl's strategic positioning provides a reliable, single-pass server-side extraction contract with flat unit economics. Firecrawl's timeline demonstrates a shift toward proactive, AI-driven interpretation. The legacy /extract endpoint is deprecated in favor of the /agent endpoint, powered by the Spark model family. Developers issue high-level intent commands, and the system autonomously evaluates the optimal retrieval path. Simultaneously, the platform has integrated native support for the Model Context Protocol, embedding these scraping capabilities directly into dominant LLM clients like Claude and Cursor. By translating the hostile architecture of the Internet into token-efficient semantic formats, Firecrawl provides the sensory infrastructure required to operate autonomous agents at scale.